Have you ever wondered what's inside of a spray paint can? I think you're going to find this video really interesting. I've been opening up spray cans like these since I was a little kid. Even now as an adult, I find this a lot of fun because of what's inside. I thought I got all the air out of that one. It turns out it was just clogged. I guess that's why I can't have nice things. Now I'll just drain any residual paint out of these before I cut them open. It doesn't look like much now, but wait till we clean this up. As you can tell, there are marbles in these spray cans. Over the years, I've found all kinds of different colors and designs in these. But it looks like today, all we found are green ones. But oddly enough, it's almost always a marble. On rare occasion, you will find a metal ball in some of these. But I bet you didn't know that every can of spray paint came with a children's toy. I love to see the ingenuity of other creators, and that's why I challenged Jared over at the Dad Cave to tackle the impossible. And I think he nailed it, don't you? This is the impossible nail to the wood trick, and if you want to check out how he did this, be sure and check out this video right here. I'll see you next time.